How to change the accessibility shortcut on iPhone X. Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone X. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Next, scroll all the way to the bottom and tap Accessibility Shortcut. Here, you'll see a list of accessibility features, such as assistive touch, guided access, magnifier, voiceover, zoom, color filters, reduce white point, and others, depending on your iPhone and iOS version. Simply tap the feature you want to add to the accessibility shortcut. You can also select multiple features if you'd like. Your changes will be saved automatically. Now, whenever you triple-click the side button, the selected accessibility feature will activate. If you've selected more than one feature, a menu will appear, so you can choose which one to use. And that's it. You've successfully changed the accessibility shortcut on your iPhone X. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and accessibility tutorials.